Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another channel, another video, another episode of how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So this is my channel, Carol Suggests, and on Carol Suggests, I suggest that you learn how to make money work for you, so you no longer have to work for someone else on gaining that money. So work for yourself to gain that time and financial freedom. So I show you through this channel, through video, step by step, click by click, how to utilize your tools for affiliate marketing. Or if you're just starting off your affiliate marketing journey and you want to learn how to strategize or the how-tos of your tools or anything with affiliate marketing as you're starting off, then this is the channel for you. So on this episode, I did a review on system.io, which is this tool that I'm going to use, and it's a tool for your affiliate marketing business. Now, if you know or have done or already know what affiliate marketing is, you know that there are two tools that you use in affiliate marketing, which is your funnel builder and your email autoresponder, right? And so with System.io, it's a tool that you can use for both, to do both the things that you need to do for affiliate marketing for completely free, like no money. You don't have to put money down. I went over like the features and everything for System.io in a different video. So if you want to watch that, check that out. There's also another video that I did on funnel building here in System.io, completely easy. Check that one out also. And today I'm going to show you how to do the email sequence on how to create your campaign, so that way your email automation can run automatically as you're doing whatever you need to do and it's on autopilot. So I'm going to show you how to do that here in System.io. I'm going to show you how to build the campaign, how to do the automation and the workflows and everything like that, so you can start something today, so that you can start earning money today. Because I know that a lot of us, we just want, it's the holidays, we want that extra income to kind of make this holiday season a little bit better for everyone and a little less stress, I guess. Before we jump into this, I'm just going to ask that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That way you get exclusives and like the most recent updates on how to do affiliate marketing, your strategies and how-tos with me. I'm going to do this weekly, where I'm sending out videos, so that way I can catch you up with a lot of the things that I've learned along the way. So if you haven't, again, just subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section below. But if you want access to this tool, I'm going to leave it in the description below. There's going to be a link down and below where you can click on the link. You can access System.io and follow along in this video, so that way you can see it, me do it click by click, and that you can also follow along and do this all for yourself, so you can be done by the end of this video. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. So for this one, we're going to be showing you how to create your email automation. So once you're in, this is going to be your dashboard, right? Because this is a new account that I've just set up with you guys, November 4th. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to the menu bar, and you're going to click down to look for the funnels, okay? Because we're going to be building an email sequence for your funnel that you have built, right? Because again, this tool is going to do two things for you, which is it's going to bring everything together for you, which is all in here. So what we're going to do is going to go to the funnels, and in the funnels is where we're going to create that campaign for your email automation. So as you click on the funnels, it'll get you a list if you have a list. If not, it's just, of course, this one right here, which is affiliate marketing for us. You're going to click on that list, and it's going to get you into the edit page, or the editing part of that funnel, where it shows you the welcome page, this thank you page, and of course we don't need anything other than that, because that's all we needed. So what you're going to do once you're in here is we're going to hit automation rules. Okay, so automation rules is where everything starts to automate. Your emails will be automated. So we're going to add a rule to the automation rule. So once someone clicks on your link and they get to the welcome page of your funnel, which is your welcome page, and then they opt in, they put their email address and their name or whatever. Once they put their email address in, it'll get to this automation rule, which we can add a rule. And again, because this system or this tool is gonna do all of the work for you for your affiliate marketing journey, which is funnel building and autoresponder, everything's going to be done here. So you want to make sure that the first thing you're doing when you're adding a trigger or you're adding the rule is you're having them subscribed from a form they filled out, which is from your opt-in page. So funnel step form subscribed. We're going to click on that, save rule. Okay, so rule has been updated successfully. As that is done, we're going to then go over to, we want them to get into a campaign. So what we just did is we had them connected to, from the funnel, to writing into their email to this automation that's now open. Now, in this automation that's open, we have to put some emails in there, right? We have to set up a campaign. So what we're going to do is create a campaign. How we do that is we're going to go to the menu section up here again. You're just going to click down, and under emails, you're going to look for campaigns, which is this one right here, and click on campaigns. Once you're in, it's just going to give you this because of course it's completely empty. You're going to create a new campaign. So click create and just name it whatever it is that you, so let's say you were, so in my video from the last one, I was doing a lead magnet. I was giving them a free ebook in exchange for their email. So for this campaign, I'm going to do free ebook because I did that one for the last video. And then you can put a description if you don't want to, you don't have to, but put that in there, free ebook. And that's going to be your campaign list name. Okay, so once you've created that, you're going to click on your ebook. And you are going to edit your campaign. Again, no, you're not gonna. You're gonna add an email, sorry. Okay, there it is. So campaign has been updated successfully. So once you have opened your campaign, you named your campaign, you want to make sure it's a name of something that you would remember. So for me, it's my free ebook that I'm giving out. I could do it better than just free ebook, but this, for the purpose of this video, we're just gonna go with that. So what you're going to do is you're going to add an email. So once you click on that, the sender's name is going to be, of course, your name. Carol suggests subject of your email. I'm going to put free ebook, right? And then you hit this is my email address, carol@carolsuggest.com. And then you hit create. Oh. Duh. Okay, so then you hit create, and once it's created, you'll get to this. Okay, and so with this one, this is where you're going to just kind of drag and drop. You can delete things in here, just like how I showed you with the funnel builder. You can just build this with the elements on the side here. You don't have to have all these extra texts in here or anything. You can just delete them out there. Hit OK, delete, hit OK. I don't want all of that extra stuff in there. So you just want something very simple to send out to, your audience, to the people that are looking for, to the ones that are opting into your page. They want to know, what your free ebook is about, what your product is about, what you're about. So you just want to send them something super simple. Just drag and drop here, and then you can just, for this email, hey there, here is your free ebook, and then just with the free ebook, if you have an ebook, you want to make sure that you copy that ebook and you paste the link in here. Mine comes from Vistacraft, or is it, Crello.com. But my ebook is made in here, which I can then download to PDF file. So you can create an ebook in VistaCreate or Crello or even Canva.com for completely free. And then you just download it. And then what you're going to do is just, if you want to highlight this right here and then click on this right here, which is link, you can type in the URL, or you can put in the link to your book. So let's say ebook. Okay, we saved it there. So let's say for this one, let's copy that, and then I'm going to paste it in here in the URL up here, right? So we're going to save that. And it's hyperlinked into that. So if you click on this one, it'll supposedly get you to the free ebook. So let's say just a quick, hey there, here's your free ebook. Thank you. Of course, you want to have a better email written out than this. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how simple it is to use anything in here. You can drag and drop anything and just place them in here. Replace them by clicking on them and uploading files if you wanted to. But that's how you would create we'll just take this one out, your email. Right, so once that's done, save changes. And we've just started our campaign. Okay, so save changes and then you can exit out, and then we've just started our campaign. So you can edit it however you'd like, you can save and send a test email, save and publish it once you're done. But once you're done, that's how you create your campaign. Ebook, it says. Jeez. And yeah, hopefully that helped you. I hope I answered any questions that you may have had. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. But again, I'm here for all the questions. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so that way you can get access to all of the content that I'm going to be creating for you guys to show you guys how to do this all for free, or using the tools that are free, but also showing you the best way possible to earning money online, the cheapest way possible. And that is everything. Thank you guys again so much. Have a great rest of your day and stay positive.